friends, welcome back. Have you ever wanted to make a beautiful artisan loaf of bread with that crispy golden crust and soft, airy center right in your own kitchen? Today, I'm going to show you how to make this rustic artisan bread using bread flour. And the best part, no fancy equipment, no stress. Just simple ingredients and a little bit of magic. So let me show you my ingredients. We have bread flour, we have salt, and we have water. So we're gonna measure 3 3/4 cups of flour. Three quarters. Have the salt. The recipe will be on the bottom. All you have to do is hit more and you will see the recipe. We're gonna put the yeast in, and we have the salt in there. So we're just gonna sift this very quickly. See, it's so easy and quick. It's only 4 ingredients, and we're creating something absolutely incredible. Mix that up, and we'll just add the water. Fold it together. And now we're just going to cover it and let it rise for about 1.5 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. Let's check on our dough. Ooh! Look at this. This is where the magic happens. Isn't that beautiful? See all those nooks and crannies, those air pockets in there? That's what's going to give us the artisan texture. So let's very gently, oh, look at that. Get this out of here. So we're just going to bring it together in a round ball. Oh, it smells good. So we have our parchment paper here, and we're going to put our dough on there. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing. We're gonna wait another 30 minutes before we bake it. Hello, my friends. My dough has doubled in size, so let's take a look at it. Here it is. See that? That's a beautiful thing. Now my oven is preheated at 450 degrees, and I also have a Dutch oven that's preheating in my oven at 450 degrees. So we're gonna bake this at 450 degrees, covered for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna uncover it for 15 minutes. So here we go, right in the oven. Okay, my friends, my bread is ready. Check it out. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Can you hear that? Woo! My friends, I got the butter ready. Oh, this came out absolutely gorgeous. I'm only gonna cut a small piece. Maybe I'll use the bread knife. I don't like this knife because I think it's kind of saws the bread, but that's okay. So let's try this. Hot, hot, hot. Nice and crusty. Oh, and it smells amazing. Woo! So I got my butter knife ready. Look at that. Check it out. Oh. Check it out. Check it out. Oh my goodness. This is the best bread ever. I am not exaggerating. It is so delicious. I will be making bread every time I need bread. Look at that, my friends. Look at it. Isn't that a beautiful thing? It is gorgeous and it's hot. I have my wire rack, and it's very important to put the bread to cool off on a wire rack because you don't want to ruin this crust. So here we go on the wire rack. There it is, my friend. Check it out, check it out. Check it out. Stop it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.